Welcome to another Realvolve training video. My name is Mark Stepp. I am the Chief Innovation Officer here at Realvolve, and I wanted to share a new feature that we've added to our template editor. In the upper right hand corner, we've got this little icon, little graph icon. If you click on that icon, it will open up the template statistics. What this does is this will show you the title of the email, the subject of that template itself, and give you the total number of times that this particular email has been sent for a given date range. So we've got a total number of emails and the average response time. This is something that we've added recently, kind of keep the information behind the scenes for statistical information on the template itself. Whenever you look at the lower corner, there's a little option here that says track email response time for this template. What we're doing is looking at how quickly does somebody actually click on the email to view it once it's sent. In this particular case, we've got 2 emails that were sent between this date range. I do want to stress that this information is good as of April 10th of 2018. Any numbers that we've gotten here is since that point. Anything prior to that point, we are not displaying in this list. So it will show you the number of times that the email was delivered. You may have sent multiple times. There might have been some challenges with the sending or something that would cause it to not be delivered, but this will show you the number of deliveries, number of times it's been opened, the click-throughs. If in that template you have any kind of links in them that take you to a particular website, it will allow you to see how many times they've clicked on it. It will also show you the number of drops or bounces. There's an area where if an email is being sent to somebody that got put on an unsubscribe list or whatever, it will drop it, or if it's a bad email, it will bounce it. So we show that information. And also, if that email was being sent and was marked as spam by somebody, it will show you the number of times that it was marked as spam. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand the date range in this. You can click on the date range. You can select any of the different options, including your own specific date range. I'm going to choose all. This particular template I've not used a whole lot of times. In this case, we've had 6 of the emails that were delivered. Now, what I can also do is as I click on each of the different boxes, it will kind of drill down and show more detail. In this case, there were 6 emails that were sent. It'll show you who they were sent to and the number of times that it was delivered to that particular email address. So in this case, I've sent a couple times this same email to Kathy. I've only sent it to the Mark Stepp contact once on each one of those, and then we've got another development email. Now, if I wanted to go and drill down and see more information about this email, if I click on the contact's name, it'll open up a separate tab. That tab then will take me to that contact, and it will show me whatever information about that particular contact. I do have the ability to see the emails, in this case under the radar, for the same type of thing. If I click on the little down arrow there, it shows me the information about that particular email that I sent or any other emails that I would send. So anytime that I want to see more information about a particular person that I've sent an email to, I can just click on and see their contact record by clicking on their name. Of course, you can close the drill down using the little X in the upper right hand corner, and brings you back to the main screen on that. In the upper right hand corner of the statistics, I can click on that X and it will bring me back to this email template. If you have additional questions, visit our website. Have a great day.